Hi everyone, my name is Robin and I'm a partner here at SmithStreet, a China-focused strategy consulting firm based in Shanghai. As leader of our healthcare practice, I work with our multinational pharmaceutical and healthcare clients on strategic initiatives ranging from evaluating market opportunities to developing market access, commercialization and pricing strategies, to understanding standards of care. Over the coming months, my team will be bringing you perspectives and insights into various hot topics and trends in the China healthcare sector. Today, I'd like to share with you a few of the driving reasons behind the current trend of shifting to stricter compliance standards. Let's take a look at what's been happening. Last summer, the British pharmaceutical giant GSK and several other drug companies came under investigation by the Chinese authorities for providing doctors with improper incentives. Incentives coming in the form of all expenses paid holidays and even cash. Then, shortly thereafter, news of a price-fixing scandal broke out involving several leading international infant formula brands. Ultimately, 5 foreign companies and 1 domestic company were reportedly fined a total of $108 million by the Chinese government. Now, in response to these recent scandals, the National Health and Family Planning Commission has announced a number of upcoming policy changes, including 1, no more hongbao from patients, which they plan to turn into regulation starting from May 1st this year. This no more hongbao or no more red envelopes regulation will be designed to outlaw the common practice of patients making cash payments or alternatively giving expensive gifts to doctors in the hopes of receiving more comprehensive medical care or more favorable treatment when they're an inpatient. So what's caused all of this? Well, to answer that, let me give you some facts and figures as food for thought. Number 1, doctors in China are overworked. According to 2010 World Bank statistics, China had roughly 1.5 physicians for every 1,000 people. Now, how does this compare with the US? There are 2.4 doctors for every 1,000 Americans. And Switzerland? 4.1 doctors per 1,000 population, almost 3 times as many as China. And that shortage is even more pronounced when it comes to nurses. Number 2, doctors in China are underpaid. What does a physician's paycheck look like in China? Well, let's take a chief physician, somebody with probably 20 plus years of experience, the head of their department at a leading hospital in Shanghai or Beijing. Well, this doctor's official salary is likely to be substantially less, probably 50% of what a typical manager in a private sector job would be earning. Number 3, hospitals are inadequately funded. Now, although hospitals in China are government funded, it's estimated that as much as 40% of the hospital's operating costs need to be covered by the profits made from drug prescriptions and from other medical procedures. So what comes next for China? Is this no more red envelopes policy going to work? China's netizens are skeptical as to whether the status quo can really be changed. But President Xi Jinping, in his first 1.5 years in office, appears to be very serious in his anti-corruption efforts. And we've seen this across many different industries. So we're now eagerly awaiting further details to be announced by the Health Commission on just how this policy will work exactly. How's it going to be implemented and enforced? So it's going to be interesting to see how things unfold over the coming months. What are your thoughts? We would love to hear from you, so do leave us your comments here. And until next time, thank you very much for watching.